Imehangwa gukorwo igithii na mbere supermarket-ini itiganite kaunti-ini ya Narok kuria maabitha ya kuuma ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune marathiururuka magicora mathanduku maya maria matiganite na mita imwe niguo guteithiriria aikari a mwena ucio matigakuhaniririe muno riria marabanga mwari wa kurihira indo ciao.
We choose the supermarkets because you found that we have a lot of crowd, or at least we normally have jam of people within the supermarket because of the purchasing of maybe the lower price of the supermarkets, or because of the choice of the general public. They like to at least to select one place so that they can go for shopping. So that's the reason we chose for this place, because we have been at least seeing the crowd mingling around, and sometimes very difficult for them even to control the crowd.
Oho maabitha ya nimekirite matangi ma mai na gutigirira o itangi riri na thabuni uria aikari kuma mwena ucio morite matigire ni marahuthira mbere ya maingirite kugura indo ciao niguo gwithema na gutamba kwa homa ya COVID-19.
That distance is very important, safe distance for each and everyone, so that we don't end up at least spreading the virus. And that's the reason why I've come here today to Naivas supermarket, so that at least we can help in terms of at least demarcating 1 meter distance from one person to another person. Then at the same time, we are also here today so that we can at least enhance the aspect of hand washing within the person, and even to show them how to wash their hands in the right way.
Handu-ini hake komishona wa kaunti ni amenereirie mutugo wa aikari guthi na ciana ciao kugura indo kuria augite ciana ciothe ciagirwo gutigwo mecini riria ciari marathi kugura indo.
Tumesema kuwe na sanitary equipment na zimewekwa na watu kuingia huko wawe moja ama mbili. Tukiingia huko, jana nilikuwa huko, naona hata watoto wanatembea wanakimbia kwa supermarket. Mtoto anafanya nini supermarket wakati kama huu? Wazazi wale wako na watoto, hakuna kulete mtoto town atikuja kufanya shopping naye kwa supermarket. Hiyo supermarket wahakikishe hivyo.
Aikari kaunti niyo ni matugirite mubango uyu makiuga ni uguteithiriria hanene hari kuhurana na gutamba kwa homa ino mwena ucio makiria kahinda-ini gaka supermarket nyingi ira ihuraguri. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.